Hello, this is an explanation video for Thursday, May 6th. So let's start with the sync. If you are in the morning class, there will be no Zoom session today. That is for morning students only, no Zoom session. Evening class, we will have Zoom session at the normal time. So if you're in the evening class, this is for you. Today, for our Zoom session, we will continue to work on our One World projects in small groups. You should continue your current step before you start your next step. So think about Tuesday, whatever you were doing at the end of class on Tuesday, you should continue doing that today. If you're curious about the steps from the beginning of the project until the end, these are all the steps we will take for the project. So if you finish the worksheet for article number 1, then you will complete an evidence worksheet for article number 2. Once you finish that, you will go to article number 3 and do an evidence worksheet for that. So most of you are probably somewhere in this part of the process. Okay, so this is what we'll do today in the sync session for evening. For both classes, we have async work. So this is morning and evening. Everybody has async work. So the first activity is an inference discussion. So remember, inference is a conclusion based on evidence and experience, right? You're combining those two things. You have to use both of these when you choose your answers. So you have this conversation between person A and person B, and you have to read it and pay attention to what they're saying and think about what's going on in this conversation, and then answer these questions. Where are these people? What are they talking about? And who are they? So you have to look at the information here in the text, but also use your knowledge that you already have in your mind and combine those two things to help answer these questions. Here we have conversation 2. So you have to read it and use this information to help you answer these questions using inference. And then conversation 3, same thing, read it and use inference to answer these 3 questions. And you will write your answers here in the comments section. The other async assignment for today is in the textbook, page 66 through 67. You're going to do part 2, A, B, and C. Okay, so you're going to look at this text here and so actually you're going to scan this text to look for the answer for these questions. Remember, when you scan, you are looking for very specific words or phrases to find the answer. So for question number 1, think about what are the key words that you need to look for in this text. Don't read every word, just quickly look for those key words that can help you to answer this question. Then look at question 2, decide what keywords you need to find, and then quickly look through this text for those keywords. And then same thing for 3. You're going to write your answers here after you scan this text. Here we are writing the letter for the definition for each word. And then here, you're going to go back to this text to find the answers for these questions. And you can take a picture and post the picture here in the comments. And that is it for today, Thursday, May 6th. Thank you so much for listening and best of luck.